Hi everyone. Today we're going to be learning the advanced animation of the canvas. So previously last time there was a basic animation with the balls, but this time we're going to learn the advanced. So whenever it touches the boundaries, it bounces back. So this time I'll explain you the code because let me show you proof. It's 43 lines. Imagine writing that. Anyways, up to this part Actually up to this part You know that much. Now define move ball function, we change it. This time we have because since x1, y1, comma x2 and y2, why? Because the because ovals, right? But I mean a balls they have two coordinates. What I mean by that, I mean four coordinates. Okay? x1, y1, x2, y2. That's why. Same thing here, but we just use a different coordinate. So then after that, canvas dot chords ball 1. Same thing here, it's just A and B. Canvas dot chords ball 2. So what this means, it'll find the coordinates of the ball 1 and ball 2. Now we have to update the speed of the ball. So whenever it hits the boundary, it goes to a negative speed, like -2, comma -2. So what we do here, if x1, we're going with the first ball. If x1 is greater than or equals to 350, or x2 is less than or equals to 0, right? Ball 1 underscore speed, that's our variable. Oh, okay. square brackets 0 equals minus ball 1 speed 0. Means because it's not touching the boundary, but whenever it touches the boundary, it goes to a negative speed. That's what we're doing over here. You're wondering why we put here 0. Why aren't we putting here 5? Why aren't we putting here 1, 100, 10? Because there's an x-axis and a y-axis. Now let's find the index value of them. The index value of x is going to be what? A 0, right? And the index value of y would be 1. That's why we're putting here 0. Same thing here for the y. If y1 greater than equals to 350 or y2 is less than or equals to 0, ball 1 underscore speed square bracket 1, because the index value of y would be 1, minus ball 1 speed 1. We have to negative the speed. The speed has to be negative because whenever it touches the boundaries, it has to be a negative speed. I already told you that. We have to reverse it basically. Then after that, canvas dot move ball 1, comma ball 1 speed 0 and ball 1 underscore speed 1. After that, we have to update the speed of ball 2. If A1 is greater than or equals to 350 or A2 is less than or equals to 0, ball 2 underscore speed 0 minus equals to minus ball 2 on speed underscores, ball 2 underscore speed square bracket 0. It's the same thing as this code over here. Just the variables are different, like it's A1, A2, B1, B2, right? And also the numbers too. The numbers are the same. Canvas move ball 2, comma ball 2 underscore speed square bracket 0, comma ball 2 underscore speed square bracket 1. Canvas dot after 50, comma move balls. I think you know what that means. I already told you that. That's like that. It's like 0.05 seconds. So then we have to create the ball. Okay. Then make the speed for the balls. Call it the function. Then window.main. Well, let me show you how it works. Oh, it's working. See? See? Look, it's bouncing off. Look, it's bouncing off, as you guys can see. It's bouncing. See? It's bouncing. That's the advanced animation. Okay? As you guys see, it's can bouncing, bouncing, and bouncing. Canvas, the advantage is you can actually make games from it. Or we will probably try making one game and I can create a video of that. Or probably onto the close to the topic on the game development. This is where you can start the game. As soon as you start learning about Canvas, this is where you can start making games, guys. Okay? And you go to game development. Then you can publish those games and earn some money, right? Or probably make an app for Bitcoin, okay? But that doesn't use Canvas. That has to use something else. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about how to do the canvas but the advanced animation. Okay. I explained you the code. And if you didn't know what canvas is, okay, then you can watch my video about how to create a canvas and then you can watch the basic animation of the canvas before the advanced animation. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.